Hey guys, it's Kelly, Ambulance Girl 77. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome to just a quick tour of my holiday decorations for 2020. We're starting in the kitchen and we'll take on different room at different days. The whole house was trying to do that in one shot was just a little bit overwhelming for me, so we're going to take it on room by room and I hope you like it. So I will see you when we're done. Alright guys, let's do this tour. So I'm kind of standing back so that you can sort of see, kind of see what is going on here. I do think the light's going to get bunny around the window. Yep, see, it's already doing it. So what I am going to do is tell you. You see the giant deer up here there? There's one on each side, and if you can see the garland right there, there's one on each side of that window. There is a wreath in the window that is there year-round. I made the wreath. I just added a holiday bow to it. There's a couple of cardinals in the window and some small trees on each side. Just so if I can't show you over there, I'm just explaining it here. Anyway, so on the wall here, we've got, or we'll do the top. We've got two trucks up top right there. You can see them kind of attempting to have them be lit up. And then we have got the giant elf people up there. The giant elf people make the trucks look very small because those giant elf people are like 4 feet tall. So they make the trucks look small, but the trucks are actually pretty good sized. This is real life, guys. I've got stuff clipped to my fridge. I can see a coupon for my dishwasher tablets clipped to my coupon, or clipped to my fridge, so I'm okay with it. This is, you know, like I said, real life. You may see there's face wiping towels all over my kitchen because I got two Great Danes and they drool. So anyway, the wall here, I have some Rae Dunn plates on there. They're decorative Christmas plates, you know. They say cute things, jingle, fa la la, joy, naughty, nice. 'Tis the season. There's one of these Target candy cane wreaths, not wreaths, banners. Garlands, yes, it's a garland. And just a few things layered in. There's a little sign, there's a little deer, there's a couple of snowflakes in there, and then there's a holiday bow, and I'm not sure why that's there. Over in the corner, we've got on the glass, there is a Target dollar spot wreath. Those were in the dollar spot this year. The garland, I made the garland just standing here at the counter. I wanted it to hang down this year instead of like droop, so I just made my own. Again, there are the elf people, and there is a sign that says Merry and Bright up there, but it might be a little hard to see. So over here, this is like, I'll give you a kind of an up-down. Here is the, obviously the stove, and to the top. Up there are two trees. Those are the woodsy trees from Hobby Lobby. I bought them years ago, but they still have them. In the center is it's a picture, or not a picture frame, it's a window frame. The window frame's super old, but I made the decorations that are on it. There is a white owl and some white glitter trees up there because why not? On the counter here, we've got some onions and garlic, which is, you know, oh so festive. No, those are always there. They're just in a different container. There's a little tree in the back, which has, the lights will come on later on and they will twinkle. There is one of my favorite wallflower plugs in there, and it lights up as well. Just a candle and a homemade snow globe sitting there. These beautiful serving trays were made for us, and they just live there year round. Have to keep the butter container way back there because my Cash will get it. He has a butter obsession. We have a dog and a cat towel on the oven handle there. We cannot discriminate. Up in the corner is that Mary sign is from Target. That is a dollar spot item. Here's a better view of the deer I was speaking of and the garland that I made. There are some silver glittery deer in there. They're very hard to see, but here, let's see. I can make you. I might be able to help with that. Okay, so there he is. Anyway, and that Mary sign again is from Target. The small wreaths that are hanging on the glass, those are Target Dollar Spot this year. So on the counter here is, okay, this is very cluttered for me. There's a lot of stuff out because normally I'm a less is more. But if it's Christmas decorations, I'm a more is more. So, the first thing, let's get to the why do you have 2 coffee pots? There's a good reason. The first reason is my husband does not like fancy coffee pot. He just wants it to make coffee and have a timer so it'll make coffee when he's waking up. And my children got me the Keurig last year for Christmas because they're amazing. I drink coffee mostly in the fall, winter, but I only drink it 1 cup at a time. I don't take a big thermos. So, and I like, I like funny, fun coffee, where my husband likes coffee, black coffee, no nothing. So that is why 2 coffee makers. Over here, I've got a couple of the Rae Dunn canister deals. I normally keep my coffee pods in a spinner, but I dumped them all in there so that I could use the canister. I've got a festive, what is this, spoon rest, and then my little coffee stir thing, and the container that I put my husband's collagen in, or he'll forget to take it. I just spin our normal canisters around, and those there year round, coffee, sugar, and then there's just the little sugar creamer dish right there on the red pedestal. Those are just decorative. I don't keep that kind of stuff out. Here's a quick pan of the window real quick. There's the 2 cardinals. I love them. Cardinals are my absolute favorite bird. There's that wreath I said I made. It's almost dark. I mean, it's almost getting the lighting. That is a Target Dollar Spot little hanging banner again. More garland that I made. And then there are 2 more deer up there. Over here in the corner, you can see the corner there. That is a Letter to Santa mailbox. It's just big, so no place to put it. There's a giant plant up there because it loves the light, and it gets light from this window here to my left and the window on the other side of that wall. And then a bakery, Santa's bakery shop in front, and then one last garland that I made right there. And so let me take you back over here, trying not to get you dizzy. We've got, this is just the counter here. We've got my foster kitten's food kind of coming up to a little bit warmer on the counter. He does not like it ice cold. On my counter, I've got a white glittery tree. These are Target Dollar Spot metal houses. Everything here is actually, with the exception of the little candle right there, it's all Target Dollar Spot. Let's see. And everything, I was going to say, I think it's all from this year. Yeah, the little cake plate is not from this year, but that also is Target Dollar Spot. So, little Target Dollar Spot galvanized houses, the little trees. That's a little tree. I mean, and even that snowflake back there, just kind of layered back there. This is, I always put something in this corner because it's a really weird deep corner. But that is my serving plates, or serving platter for this year. I ordered new holiday dishware, and it's beautiful. It's Williams Sonoma. It's the winter berry pattern, I think. I'm just waiting for it to arrive. But yeah, that will be beautiful on my table, or that pattern will be beautiful on my table this year. This is an in-counter blender, and seems like a good idea at the time. It seems like something, oh, cool, I'll use that. No, don't use it, never used it. And the dishwasher is right here, underneath, obviously. And so this area is warm from when it's dry, and that makes the little feet on this glass turn yellow. So they look funky. I don't know. Never use it. But over here, we've just got a candle on a candle pedestal. I do not burn candles underneath my cabinetry. I just don't. It's just sitting there because it sort of goes. This is a Rae Dunn bowl. And it has baked goods in it that are already packaged up and ready to go, so my hubby or our son can just grab it on the way out in the morning. We've got a self-explanatory bread box hanging right here. We've got ALEXA right there. And this guy is normally here. This guy, there is another one here normally, and it is like this, but it's for the dogs. So this is what their treats are, and so I swapped it out for the holiday one, and yeah. And I had to put a little tree on my counter because, you know, everybody needs another tree in their kitchen. And so this guy's on time. He's on a timer. His lights will come on later. And then this is the last thing, and this is my work in progress right here. I wanted to do like a, you know, oh, wait. Is that... Apparently my elf does not understand the elf timeline. So just ignore him. And apparently he's naughty. Anyway, it's not reality to be able to have cups out on display because I have dogs. I have 2 large dogs, I have cats, and I have foster kittens, and so that is not a reality. So this is going to be a work in progress. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I'm going to make it fun, but it won't have cups on it. You know what I mean? So yeah. So let's walk back around the counter, and that is it. Sorry, not trying to make you dizzy. Like, I have never done one of these, so bear with me. So here is an overview, high and low. Yeah, if you like this, give me a normal size thumbs up and let me know what you think down in the comments. I will have some more coming up. I'm doing all the areas in my house that I'm decorating. I'm going to do a little tour like this of it. So I hope you like this. If you have any questions, if I did not answer anything, definitely give me a shout. I will happy to let you know, and I will talk to you later. Bye.